Okay, so I wanted to catch up on my lawnmower before it wouldn't start. So my grandfather came over and looked at it. I mean, I just started it and got it out of the garage, but in there's a spring that connects to the throttle and connects to the governor to control the RPM, and that came off, so it wouldn't start. So basically, it wouldn't even give it any choke or anything. So Cheerios on the ground. And so that made it not start. So my grandfather adjusted the idle and stuff, and then when you move the throttle, it wouldn't do anything. It would stay idling because the thing was off. So then I found the spring and he hooked it back up again, and it worked, but it didn't really have that much of a change in throttle, so he adjusted something and it made it work. And then when I went to start it the next day, found out the tire was flat, so that really sucks. And so now I think it's just a bad tire, so I don't know. I don't know if you want me to hear how much better it runs. So wait, I thought that was down. Okay, ready? See? So it runs pretty good. One of my fake brake light thingies fell off. They kind of look stupid. And I let the battery charge on that. The battery's a little low. So my dump trailer. Scorpion force stepped on us. Well, that's a long story. I fixed over here the big rut in the ground from my mom's ex-friends, whatever you want to call them. And I gathered up all the piles and I used it to make it an even rut. Jesse, don't touch the lawnmower. I'm just letting the battery charge. Looks stupid from here. I mean, not really stupid, it's just the wheels are really wide and stuff. That's funny. Yeah. Well, what happened was, I overloaded it with dirt, so I backed up with it, and well, you can't even see the stupid bendingness with the camera.
Well, as you can see, my hand goes up and down.
No, you can't see it. That's what's stupid about this camera. It doesn't get perspective. See, it angles like that. Like it goes up right here and then goes down like this. And it's bent in the middle, and this bent off and broke off, and then inside there, the whole frame bent. The wheel.
Over here, as you can see, the big dent right here. You could buff
just
that
let
out.
go of it. No, I couldn't buff it out. See, it's not even on the inside. You can't even buff any of this stuff out. So, it's mulched. So it's blown. The lawnmower is running good. No, just kidding. But it is running good. Look what Miss Brown did. She broke the car. She ran over it and broke it with their stupid Hyundai, whatever, big difference. Want me to make it go? You round blue. Hate it when it does that. It's mulched.
You're an idiot.
What? Oh, I'm not. What? I am not an idiot. Blue. Cut out. That happens when you give it more than like a quarter of an inch of throttle per second. So it's lawn teeth manufactured by True Value, $12.39, $4.40, whatever the hell that means. I don't know if $12.39 is what you call it, like, I don't know. $4.40, I don't know. I think it's a 1991, because that's what it says on. 1990 safety standard, but I don't know. Overall, it's a pretty nice lawnmower, so. Lights aren't that good, but they do work. Okay, so that's it. Bye.